It's a Pringle dispenser.
That would actually be sick.
Yeah, it works, see? And all my Pringles, I've got a Pringle dispenser.
I need to grease it up.
Oh, perfect. Pringle.
Mint.
Hello everyone, welcome to a spin-off. This is my car. It's kind of a nugget, and today we're going to be putting coilovers on it and lowering it, and I hope it's not too low, but we're just going to wing it. Okay, let's do this. Here it is. This is my ST150. I bought it just before Christmas. I'm a bit of a Ford fan. My dad had Fords, Cozzies, STs, so it's kind of in my blood. And I also needed something small to get on the drive, so I thought, what's better than an ST? For me, personally. I'm going to get shouted at in the comments, but that's it. It came with a Cobra exhaust, which is perfect. It's a Cobra catback system. I can get my fist in there, so that's approved. Pretty happy with that. It's only done like 54,000 miles. It's got leather heated seats. It's the exact spec I wanted, and it was like 20 minutes away, sorry. So I couldn't let it go. Since then, I've put the ST180 wheels on it. Love it or hate it, I think they're great. I love them. Center caps, steering wheel badges. I've put the gel badges on there. What else? I've had all these sprayed. If whoever watches this, who decided to spray it before, why didn't you just prime them? Please just prime them. This was hard work, hard work. Induction kit, I think that's something everyone's got to do on one of these. Induction kit gets rid of the whole awful factory box on it. It just heat soaks the original air filter. Even with a K&N on it, it's made a difference. Whether or not you get gains is up for debate. You can argue about that for years on the internet, but personally I feel like it's a little bit lighter on the throttle. So far, apart from that, that's more or less it, really. Low line kit, of course, diffuser, spats, side skirt, splitter, all the usual stuff on these, but I really like it. So for now, big time coilovers and then engine mods. But coilovers today, so let's get cracking.
Hold on.
Numero uno. Yes, Queen Slay.
The only thing I'm worried about is
the suspension.
Okay. Let's spray everything. Because why not?
Ooh.
That's the top hat moving.
That's on there. That is on there.
Okay, that's not great. So we're gonna go with
Boogers and doogers.
yeah, mate to be. It's out.
It didn't want to.
No, it didn't.
It's been on there for a while.
But it took you like 20 seconds.
Yeah, that's why you've got the equipment.
Yeah.
Are you holding on?
My people need me. Goodbye.
Like at some point you just go start rolling up with it. Just leave this planet. It's really hard to get in there with all of that shit in there.
18?
Yes. Yes. So that's the crusty clip.
Yeah.
And now it should just slide out.
Progress.
Hey, happy days.
Yeah,
We did the thing.
We did the thing. And now we know, like with the next ones, it's literally just.
Ooh.
Hey.
Yes.
Okay. So I reckon what we're gonna do is all the fasteners that we retrieved, I'll make one nice small container out of something. Hold on. And we'll just drop everything in, bathe it in a brake cleaner.
Yeah. Let the magic juices flow.
Just drop that in here.
Oh, Jesus.
Say that's done, but like we still need to get the old coilover out.
Doesn't seem keen on that.
I mean,
The car's moving more than the coilover. And it's up. Yes.
hey. So yeah, it needs. It's a two people job.
Oh, yeah.
Don't go back in.
Don't go back in there.
Ah. Well, what I want.
Yeah.
Hey,
So-
success.
So To be honest with you, the top part's fine in here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sweet.
We'll need to extract it.
Yeah, of course, yeah. Just clean it up a bit. But
Yeah. It's not bad.
great success.
At least there's no part ordering.
Nice, that's good news.
Yeah.
Hey.
Less money I have to spend. So originally it was Bilstein B12s. I had a spring that snapped, the spring snapped, the track rod end went, and a top mount bearing went. So we thought, oh perfect, we've been after doing coilovers for a while, let's do coilovers. Ordered some Bilstein B12s, bang, lockdown came full effect back in March. Oh, that was nice. Anyway, lockdown's starting to ease a little bit, so we decided to go with AP. Came relatively quicker than we thought, and seeing as they are designed by KW in Germany, I'm assuming they're going to be pretty nice. So, here's hoping. They've got a lot of adjustment as well. The Bilsteins had no adjustment, which in a way is kind of good for set and forget, but on the other hand, when you've got a little bit more adjustment, if I do decide to track it, I've got a little bit more leeway to play, so.
Danger warning.
Oh, good start. Danger, warning.
What does it warn you about?
Yeah, what does it say?
I don't know, I skipped it.
Ah, well, don't worry about that. Then you hear like a massive bang as soon as you drive it off and it's like, that was the warning.
The suspension components may only be installed by trained technical personnel using the proper tools. Never use impact wrenches or guns to install or remove the shock absorber piston handle.
Why are you laughing? We wouldn't do that.
I would never do it.
Ever.
Mate to be. It's out. We recommend to use a vehicle hoist or lift. Well, that's what we're doing.
Yes.
Yeah, that's the proper way to do it.
This is
Happy
one thing.
days.
We are professionals.
We are. So I have to drop that in to be able to put the top out on, and then I can go back. And we got a new knot, which is, well,
Nothing more satisfying than a new shiny knob.
so I cannot touch it anywhere here, for obvious reasons.
Yeah.
Cannot put anything through. Okay, I've got an idea. Before you sit down and cry. Let's just hope
That's
it's going to be
like
different.
serious hand-eye coordination.
Like I'm getting somewhere. It's just like I see a lot of thread to go.
Yeah. There is. Oh, jeez, there is.
You look happy.
We've been through this before where
Is
things just don't go very smooth 100% of the time, but it works because he's a bit of a wizard.
Yeah, he's a mechanical MacGyver.
Yeah, it worked. So, well, that's one done. Only 3 to go.
Oh man, it's happening. The first one's going on. It's finally happening.
So just put it on.
Ha, hello. I'll do the one closest to me because that makes sense. So it's on.
So Sam,
Yes.
I think we're gonna have to. What I will do, it's gonna be the easiest thing to do, is lower it into it, and let's just put a jack on.
Yeah, just let it do its thing.
Because like, if we need to fight it,
Yeah, just lower it and then jack under there and out it is. Oh man, look at it.
but isn't it like better?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go. Next.
Eventually.
That were a satisfying clunk.
That was so nice.
Is it in?
It's overwhelming. Yes.
Yes! Part 2 of Coilover. Hell.
Oh, it's like coilovers extravaganza.
Yeah. Coilover Part 2, Electric Boogaloo.
Make a small hole in. Are they rubber? Oh no.
Oh shit.
There's already a bolt off the original edge in there somewhere.
At least it doesn't go into the engine.
That looks like fucking Ooga Dooga. Look at that.
Yeah, that's over tightened a lot.
And like dug into the strut tower. It's not desirable, I would say. It was really bad.
Done that, so.
But they were the professionals.
Yeah,
They were
pros.
professionals.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Shouldn't
they're
they know
the
how to
pros.
do it?
Like when it says in the manual, make sure a professional fits this.
That's why.
Bigger? Jesus. These are the guys that the manual is referring to, and they've chewed it up. Just don't, Just be nice, be kind.
Oh, what? So it was taken out because they were replacing the spring.
And they've rounded it off as well.
Over tightened the top, and that's rounded off.
And that's,
We're talking about that one.
and that's why you go to a professional.
A professional did that.
I know.
That was at a garage.
Now, it's Is it going to just spin? Like, I don't know, like, I'm hoping that it's not going to be that bad. But
So,
yeah, permafast is close and that's just spinning.
Here we go.
Who does that?
They've over-tightened that. They've made an absolute mess of that.
Yeah, so they over-tightened the top part,
And they've
the bottom is
literally
just
rotated.
rounded. It was just, I reckon, it was the gun just going and I don't know if you noticed, like, I undid it with the gun, but when I was bolting the other side on, I did it by hand.
Yeah.
That's the exact reason why I did it. And I'm a photographer, not a fucking mechanic.
Yeah, these people get paid for the mechanic. These people get paid for this. We aren't being paid for this. This is my car. These people get paid for this.
so what's the plan of action? To fix the bodge job?
Oh, weld the nut and take it off.
So we're gonna weld the second nut to the nut.
Yeah, basically.
Nutception.
Nutception. That one's looking?
No.
No.
This is where I go to let go of my hand welder to like, oh.
Oh, I can't.
Where's the
Okay, so we got it off.
with the extent I literally melted a lot of metal inside there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's still hot, you can tell.
Oh, that's
Jesus. Ooh. Wait, hold on.
Why would you do it? I'm like, why? So many questions.
Well, I mean, taking it out should be a little easier.
Yeah.
Because it's recently just been changed.
So it's someone did
It's
it.
just getting all these off.
Someone fucked up.
Yeah.
Like, I don't even. The middle won't move.
This has come off. They had to get this off.
Do you think they just got to get it in place and over tighten this way?
Don't say those words out loud, please.
No, but I
Oh
wouldn't
my
be
God.
surprised.
I wouldn't, like, after I've seen that one.
Yeah.
I mean, let's be honest. Logically, they wouldn't have ooga-dooga'd that,
On top.
ooga-dooga'd that, and then thought, oh, I tell you what, we'll put the ooga-dooga down, take the socket off, and then we'll
And
do
then
that.
talk it
Of
to the
course,
spec.
100% they would have.
Yeah,
That's
they
what
did.
they've done.
I'm gonna just try to loosen it with the brute force.
Holy shit, the inside of the gun gets hot.
They do get hot, but they're designed to.
Okay. There's some movement. No, it's not just.
Why? Why?
I can spin it around now, so it's something, but I cannot just undo it. I don't know, Sam. You have a go.
Jesus.
Okay, hold on, because my hand now really hurts.
Oh shit.
This is just. Wow. Wow.
Oh.
So, situation is, if you want to come over here, it's currently just gone 25 to 6 in the evening. This one isn't even on because the garage, in a previous clip, I mentioned that the original coil spring snapped. I had a top mount bearing go and track rod end go, and I don't know who's done it. I'm not naming names. I'm not, naming and shaming the garage because it is a good garage, but whoever has took the original coil spring out, took everything out, has just over tightened everything to the point where you can actually see they've dug into the paintwork on that, and one of the bolts that we need to get off will not come off, and it's now rounded. So plan of attack is chop the drop link, which was completely fine, and come back in the morning with a new drop link and pray everything else is fine. But even if it's not, it's Saturday, it's a new day, so we can get parts. So
Hey.
oh well. And there we go.